Hello gamers, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the mouse acceleration. It's very simple. Let's dive into it. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is to press Windows and the R button and then type in %local app data percent and then okay. Then browse, look for Marvel Rivals. Marvel, actually. Then click Saved, and then after that, Config and Windows, and then open this. So you just scroll down to the bottom and paste this script. So I'm going to leave the description of the script below. So you just paste it here, or if you're not lazy, you could just type all this stuff. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and come back for more.